everyone. Don't mind me making faces. And don't mind the screaming kids in the pool next to me. It's summer. It's hot. Hello, everyone. Happy August. Behind me is a shed. This shed has been here for a long time, I'm guessing. And I just noticed today that it is A, the same color as my kitchen, which I think is funny. B, has outlet covers on it, which leads me to believe that there's electricity involved. And 3, I have only been in it once when we first moved in, and I don't remember anything that's in there. So let's take a look. Why are my sunglasses on my face? It's so sunny out. Let's check it out, shall we? Here's the shed. All these, basically everything here was around it. These chairs. There's a ladder on the side. I haven't done anything with it. Cool to like design it somehow. There were berries over here. Are there still berries? Let's see. Oh, look at that. Little berries. And everything else I don't want to touch. So, it's got 2 windows. And outlet covers. And I have no idea if they work. It is painted the same lovely green. Jeez, it's overgrown. Can I even get in here? Oh god, please nothing run out. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Oh my god, what are those? Oh, they're crickets. They're just crickets. Wow. Wow, check this out. Oh my gosh. Why am I so nervous right now? Maybe because I don't even know what this stuff is. Okay, first off, can we just talk about how there's a random hutch in here? Like, an actual animal hutch. Dogs? Rabbits? Raccoons? I don't know. It's like that was supposed to be a wreath. We got some motor oil. Oh my god, has someone been in here? Is this even my shed? Is this my neighbor's stuff? Deer antlers. I came in here once and I used this pitchfork. There's a whole bunch of wood. Look, an outlet. Whoa, there's a light. Is that like, oh my gosh, these kids are so loud. We can't be quiet for 3 seconds to save their life. We got backpacking gear, and is that a boot stool? What is this? There's a lawnmower and 2 weed eaters. Whole selection of glass bottles. Look at that. That's so cool. Actually really old. We got I have no idea what that thing is. Stuff is so much older than I am. Tools. Skis. Neat. Is that the power box? Anything in here? Oh god, watch her be an animal. There's no animal. There's old windows. There's an axe. Some more wood. A shelf. It's like something for target practice. What is going on? What is this place? It'd be really cool to like turn this into something. If the power works. But for all I know, this is all my neighbor's stuff. Watch me just... So there's 2 sheds in this yard. One has a lock on it, one doesn't. This one is on our side of the yard. Or, well, we share the whole yard, but our side of the house. And then the other one is on their side and has a lock on it, which leads me to believe that that's all their stuff. However, now I know what's in here. Wow, check that out. Alright, see, this side of the door was like white. let's just close this up for now. Oh my gosh, can I even... I'm gonna have to figure this out. I can't do this one-handed. I'll lock it back up. Bum, bum, bum. Here lies the mystery of the shed. Oh, I should have tried one of those lights to see if it works. Actually, it's probably gonna explode. I'm definitely not doing that. All right, you know, real cool video. Oh yeah, there's the other shed. It's got a lock on it. No windows. This one looks like it could be turned into like a useful workspace. It's really cool. So yeah, thanks for watching and all its awesomeness. Have a great day and happy August.